Volcano Bay. And we're going to do some more rides we did do and some we didn't do last time. And then we're going to head to Universal Studios. Here we are. It's gonna be a hot one today. No cloudless sky. It's only 9 AM.
Lucy finally caught up.
By Volcano Bay for this trip, but we shall be back on our next trip, whenever that shall be. Good thing about this, we do Volcano Bay and then we can get a transport, the Universal one, back to the pub to go into the other one. Pick up the bus, pick up the bus, pick up the bus. We're here, it's the City Walk escalators. Universal's mini golf. I think we're going to find somewhere for lunch because we're hungry. Time to get our Universal mug, add to our collection. Which one are you going for?
This one.
Cool. Looked at some menus, but actually we decided we want to go back to Twosome. It was, our package was so good. What did you have, Mark? Burger?
Yeah, I think so.
You gonna have something different or are you gonna have the same?
Same.
Cool. So we're getting back not to have desserts, we're just gonna have maybe got Ohanas tonight, so we don't want to eat too much. But that's not till 8:30, so we'll be starving. We've literally ordered exactly the same thing we ordered last time. So Mark's gone for the hamburger and I've gone for the pork belly carbonara.
Into this Harry Potter bit. I think this is loads of Harry Potter food. Heading towards the Mummy and then we're gonna head out, I think. It's this way anyway. Go to the malls. Last time at Universal. Well, but Fast and Furious will be here next time. So yay!
Oh, I want it.
Favourite ride of the day, Mark?
The mummy.
Mummy? Harry Potter. I'm on my own single rider. Mark didn't want to do it, which I really like actually. I didn't do it the first few years I came, but I somehow got over my favourite rides, so now let's go. And we're gonna head to the outlet malls. Let's do some shopping. Goodbye.
See ya. Where are you going?
I was invited to Universal, not you.
Oh.
Actually cooled down a little bit, it's quite a lot of clouds. It's good. But we're going shopping, so look, it's sunny. Outside in the courtyard of the beach club. People watching. So we're just about to head to Epcot. Get a fast pass, we've got a fast pass with Soren, and then we're going to Ohana's. So we got engaged, what, like 6 years ago? Yeah. 2011, so it has, yeah, October the 2nd, 2011. But so we'll be back by then, so we've gone tonight. Shopping was okay, nothing much in the character warehouse, but I got some new Nike trainers, so that's good. I'm looking forward to, you're gonna have meat sweats tonight, Mark.
See what we can do.
Last time we had them quite bad, you couldn't finish his food. We're gonna ask if we can have the kids dessert, because we don't like theirs. And apparently, like, looking at some reviews, you can ask, so continue. Ohana's Mojito Town, and there seems happy ever after in the background. The appetizers have come, which is like chicken wings. You can see on Mark's plate there. Noodles, dumplings. Num num num. Start the meat sweats, Mark. Start the meat sweats. Little cousin. Would you say it at Ohana's? It was good. Service was slow to start with, but we got in there. It was good. We were half an hour behind service, but that was fine. We had a cocktail. It's good food. So now we're heading back to our hotel, Beach Club, and then Mark, what's happening tomorrow?
Kennedy Space Center.
How excited are you?
Pretty excited.
You weren't that excited before, you were very excited before.
Maybe a bit.
We've got a gold one of our which we've never seen before. Pretty cool.
This is our final boarding call, and the doors will be closing soon. Please board safely. Our monorail will be departing momentarily. Thank you. Please stand clear of the door. Por favor, please watch your head step as you exit, and take small children by the hand. If you have guests waiting to board your car, please move across to make room for everyone. Once again, if you are traveling to Epcot, please remain on board. You'll need to change monorails at the transportation and ticket center. As you board,